With the holidays right around the corner, I'll show you how to maximize your revenue with product bundles. Now, bundling products is probably one of the more effective ways to get this done. And in this video, I'll show you how to put it together with the AutoWP Plus bundler. Let's dive right in. There are plenty of plugins out there that do similar stuff to mine. And if you want to go check them out, you can certainly do so. But for this one, you will see that you have all these different options. All bundles. What all bundles is the primary bundle. If it's active, it will display on all three products that is, or four, however many that are chosen. So let's go ahead and create one. We're going to name it hoodie. Now you can replace, by default, it's going to show a frequently bought together. And if you wanted to, display something else, you can do that here. This is where you add the products with the product search. We're going to obviously add a hoodie. And this is a variable product. And we'll add a cap and a belt. And as you see, there's matching suggestions of what would go good in this bundle. And now because this one's a variation, by default, it will apply to all variable products in its variation, sorry. And then you can choose specific ones. So we'll show you what that looks like. And now they'll only work for those. And we'll just put it on all variations to make it simple. Discount type. Now if you leave this blank, it will have no discount attached to it, but the main purpose of this is actually to discount those groups of products. We'll say by 20 bucks. You can set a start and end date. We'll show you other ways to manage this, which is pretty cool. You can create a category and a priority, and we're going to have it inactive right now. So now that you can see it's created, it's using all variations of the hoodie, and you can activate it from here. But we're going to use the one in my last video, the sales scheduler. And we're going to create a bundle discount. We're going to search up hoodie and hit save. And there you see it's there. And that's just another way to manage it, as well as all other discounts that come with the sales scheduler. Now as we go to the shop, and let's look at the hoodie. You can see it's displayed nicely here. You can select the options and one button, and it will add it all to the cart. There. And now you can see the hoodie bundle discount is right there. No coupons needed, no mess, no fuss, nothing. Now there's other ways to create bundles. So, sorry, let's go back to the store. Let's choose this long sleeve shirt. Let's go edit product. And let's create a custom. So as you see, there's a AI suggested bundle. This is based off your sales and everything else. But you can also create a custom one. So for this product, we want to change the title, we can, or we'll search for a product. Let's do beanie hoodie with a logo or zipper. And you can reorder them if you want. And now for this product, this will display. So let's go ahead, update, view product. And now this bundle displays there for them. This is meant to create a bundle custom for each product if you really like, or you find one that just works well and you just want it there all the time. And it does not have a discount attached to it. Now there's a third way, and I'll show you how that's done. And to do the third way, we'll go over here to our dashboard. We'll go hover over bundler, settings. You can change all the colors from here, change the button text, change the style of the border. I prefer dash, to be honest. Change where the add to cart redirects you. Where do you want it located? before after related products. And you can enable frequently bought together. This will be that automatic AI suggested one that will show you how that works. And you can set a max amount of items for that. So if you only want 3, 2, however many you want. You can also set a global discount. This will put any discount on the custom or the automatically generated ones. So let's hit save. We will go to our store again. Go ahead and go to our long sleeve. And now you see it's that bundle there. But we go here and enable that. Hit an update. And you see those are the products that should be shown. And there they are, as well as our dashed border. Now, I'd only use this feature if you have a healthy order history, meaning people have bought products at your store before, and it would correctly put products together. If not, it's going to try to force things together that might not make sense. There's also a way for you to track sales and what bundle is doing well. So I'll show you where that's at. Now, this is just a dummy store. So I created a few dummy sales. You go to dashboard, go to hover over product bundler and hit bundle analytics. And it'll tell you how many times it's been added to the cart, sales, revenue, and then give you a nice little graph of what's bought with the plugin. Now, obviously, there's going to be a blue line here with normal sales, and all this wouldn't be 100%, but it's a great way to track what is doing well and not. As you can see, there's many ways to create bundles, custom ones, automatically generated ones, and discounts. It's just a overall solid plugin for you to generate more revenue, especially over the holidays. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next one. Bye.